What's up, people? Big G. What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up, people? Big G Gadgets coming at you with another little summon. And this week, I've gone off the rail. Now, I like to think of myself as a bit of a trendsetter. You know, I go out there, find some cool gadgets that's not going to break the bank just in case you fine folk want them in your lives. I'm doing that for you guys. I'm setting trends. But this week I've gone a little bit crazy. I've gone off the rails. I don't know why, but I've done it. This week I've got my hands on the most bought pair of earbuds on Amazon. Why they're numero uno, I don't know, but I'm looking forward to finding out. So without further ado, let's check out what the most sold pair of earbuds on Amazon is all about. Let's go! So as it stands today, these B25 earbuds from Betron have over 8,100 reviews on the UK Amazon store, with an overall rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. That's insane! I mean, the price itself may have something to do with it. They're a cheap product. They're less than £8 right now on Amazon. Less than £8 for a set of earbuds is unheard of. But the price alone was enough to put me off buying these any sooner than I have. I mean, for £8 you're not expecting much, right? You're expecting some tinny sounds, you're expecting limited functionality, you're expecting them to break after a couple of months, right? You're expecting them to fall apart as you pull them from the box. But 8,000 reviews, 4.3 stars, they've got to have something about them. Okay, so in the box you get the usual gumph. You get your carry case, which is a nice little velvety material. You get a selection of different size earlugs to fit those different size ears. You get a wire clip so that you can attach the earbuds to whatever item of clothing you want, and then you get the earbuds themselves. So something to bear in mind is that these are a wide set of earbuds. So for those of you who don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, you damn well shit out of luck. Betron do a couple of Bluetooth variants. However, of course, with the Bluetooth comes additional monies. And that's not the purpose of the video today. Cheap earbuds, top selling, Amazon. Now, I've just unboxed these bad boys, and I've got to say, firstly, wish I hadn't gone for the gold. Build quality seems nice. That seems to be a metal casing around the earbuds. The wire has a nice like plastic sheath around it. And the connection, the 3.5mm jack, seems pretty well put together for £8. They haven't fallen apart yet after taking them out the box. Good work, Betron, I like that. The cable seems pretty long. From the jack to the earbuds, I'm sure you could quite easily attach this to your phone, stick it in your jean trouser pocket, your bag, wherever, and they would reach your ears quite happily. In fact, let's give it a whirl. They're designated right and left, so you know which earbud is which. And they feel tiny. I'm used to Bluetooth earbuds. These big mammoth things that stick out your ears, these feels like they're going to literally get lost within my ear. How do they look? How do they look? Pow, poo, pow, pow, pow. They look good, right? Yeah, they look good. Plenty of room for your earbuds. Phone. Earbuds, phone. I'm like nearly 6 foot and there's plenty of cable left. So if you're particularly tall, they would even fit you. Now, one thing I did notice about these earbuds as I was perusing the design, checking them out, is that there is no remote functions built within the earbuds. There's no pause, play, volume control, skip track. There is no remote along the cable. Zero. So if you wanted to control the music, you would have to dive into the main device itself. If it was your phone, you'd have to pull it out your pocket, change the volume, switch a track directly from the device itself. But £8. £8, okay? £8. And the real test is how good do they sound? Because I'm happy, feel like happiness is a truth. they sound pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. All right. Okay, from a sound profile point of view, they sound pretty damn good. Now remember, you're paying £8 for these bad boys. £8. And they sound clean. I mean, the profile itself is not the best. You know, it didn't sound complete. There was something missing. But if you're looking for a cheap pair of earbuds that you can just plug into a device, doesn't matter if your kids break them, don't matter if, you know, your cat chews them, you know, it don't matter if you lose them. You're not losing £150 pair of Bluetooth earbuds, you're losing 8 squids. Okay, a couple of things to bear in mind if you're thinking about purchasing these bad boys. 1, no Bluetooth. You're going to need a 3.5mm headphone jack to get sound out of these bad boys. 2, there is no mic, as far as I'm aware. So although you'll be able to hear the caller in your ears, you're going to have to pull out your phone to get your voice into the mic on the phone rather than through the earbuds. 3, no remote functionality on the cable or on the earbuds. You can't play or pause. You can't faster track. You can't change the volume. It's all done from the primary device, your phone, your iPad, your iPod, your whatever. It's done by that. But remember, you're paying 8 squids. 8 squids. You pay more than that to go to the cinema nowadays. Don't get me started on the pick and mix and the cokes. Jeez. But what I'm trying to say is if you're looking for a cheap pair of wired earbuds that's simply going to provide sound, good sound, into your ears when you're listening to music, you can't go wrong with the Betron B25s. Betron, I'm going to go check out the rest of your products, see if there's something else that I want to abuse. I want to see if the increase in price gives me an increase in sound, gives me an increase in functionality, because the £8 B25s you're pushing out, top drawer. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you like what you're seeing in this video, then feel free to hit that subscribe, hit the bell, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let me know what you want me to review next, what you like, what you don't like. And here's to the next video. Big G out. Looking good.